So we have a cube done, but I wanted to show you some other things you can do to kind of change the way this appears. So this is, again, if we're doing 3D printing, it really depends on what material you're printing things with. But for display purposes, you can really change the way this looks. So I'm going to want to show you a couple options we can do there. So I'm going to hide our origin here too, so we just get our cube here. So what I'm going to do is, if I go to modify, you're going to notice there's an option right here. It's called physical material. So right now you can kind of see that if I move this, I believe the default is steel. Yeah, it is steel. So if I click on glass, for instance, I can actually change the way this looks. So if I wanted to do like this bronze glazing glass right here, I can click on this and you can kind of see it changes it. So it's glass, it's like this bronze glass. That's kind of hard to see. So if I wanted to move this up, let's try this one. Now, for display purposes here too, under environment, I actually might just go into a tranquility blue. That makes it a little too blue. Let's go into environment again. Let's just go to the infinity pool. So you can kind of see it looks clear, looks like a glass. I can also change this, so let's go to plastic here. So if I wanted to see what this looks like as laminate red, I can do that. Okay, so here's like this little red laminate that I can go. The ones I kind of enjoy looking at are the metal ones. I think sometimes these look pretty good. There's a lot of aluminum, but you can see what this looks like as like a brass. Okay, you can kind of see it's got the little metal characteristics of it. You can change these around. So did want to give you a general idea. You can change the way this looks. Okay, doesn't do anything for the printing, but it just makes things look a little nicer when you are presenting. So again, if you want to change that, feel free. And in fact, some of the things you'll be doing this year, you will need to actually change that environment. So just thought I would share that with you. And again, change the environment to whichever one you like. That will get us to where we're done today.